Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing my new A5 MD notebook cover in the goat leather. So I have been oogling this beauty for a long time now. It's pretty expensive, I won't lie. It's about $75 to $85 depending on where you purchase it from. I actually have seen it more expensive than that, but I paid about $75 for this. It is a birthday present for myself because I've been in the market for a beautiful A5 leather cover, and I've always been in love with this one since the first moment my fingers touched it. So I decided to go ahead and purchase it. But for the sake of my channel, I thought I would open it up and give an honest review of the leather. So here are some care instructions. This is how to mature your vegetable tanned leather. This leather is natural, and so it's going to age. It's not going to stay this very lovely pink. It's going to tan. It's very dainty. This is super soft. It does not compare in any way to the Traveler's Notebooks from Traveler's Company in any way, It's lighter. It's got a more pebbled feel. It's just absolutely stunning. This is velvety soft. It's very thin. It's very lightweight. Like you almost feel like it's super dainty and super lovely and almost feels too good for me. But it's stunning and I can't wait to see it age. So this is a care instruction for this part of the leather. I love that they put a bunch of care into how to care for this leather just because it's very different than cow's leather. This is goat leather, and so it's much finer, it's much thinner, and it's very dainty and it's very soft. So without further ado, let's go ahead and insert this very dark kind of grimy notebook into this beautiful leather cover, because this is going to be the cover that I want to hold my personal journal, because I want to be able to hold it as much as possible and really age this leather. So I'm just going to slide this in. I'm sure there's a better way to do this that isn't quite as abusive. There we go. Oh, it feels really nice, and it's still just soft. I was really thinking it was going to bulk up or feel bulky in some way, but it doesn't. And it has plenty of room. You can see the movement there in the leather. There's still plenty of room for this notebook to get thicker, which it will. I still have a whole nother month that I have to fit into it, but what a dream. What a treat. Oh, okay, so there is a pen loop right here that is included. I personally won't mess with that. I'm going to leave that just right there. I'm not even going to open it. We do have a pretty large pocket here in your secretarial, well, I guess it's not really a secretarial pocket, but this flap right here. So you could definitely add a little notepad in here easily if you wanted to. And then on this flap, you've got a thinner, more like credit card size flap. So if you wanted to carry a few extra things with you, you easily could. You could carry your pen, a notepad, and then an ID or a credit card or something that you wanted to. You can see right here, this front profile is still super duper thin. I even think that the double fold right here is still thinner than a regular Traveler's Notebook, and maybe right here where there's 3 pieces of leather where they have sewn this back onto the 2 pockets here, I still even think that is thinner than a regular Traveler's Notebook leather. And I of course don't have one on my desk, so I can't compare that, but it comes with a dust sleeve as well, so you can keep it protected when you are not using it. But me, I'm torn between wanting to baby this thing because it feels so dainty and just loving it to death and getting it to age really, really well. I've seen these aged and they are absolutely stunning. So I really can't wait to play with this. I love this. The stitching is absolutely perfect. I love how professional this looks. It's just very clean and professional. Again, you can see right here, there's just plenty of room to grow with this notebook. So I'm not worried about that at all. My notebook still lays flat. I don't have any bumps affecting anything with the Traveler's Notebook. There's always the elastic right there, and then there's the pewter thing right there. This lays completely flat. I don't ever have to take this notebook out of this sleeve ever again. It lays flat, so it's not buckling open. I don't have to worry about having an elastic on the outside to keep it closed. It's holding it closed on its own, and it's just an absolute dream. I do absolutely love this. I'm very pleased with this purchase. I love that it looks professional. I could take this into a business meeting. It's leather, so I could just chuck it into my purse and, oh gosh, I just can't stop touching it. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I know they have different sizes in this, so if you're interested in trying the goat leather, but you may not have an A5 size, I know that they have A6 and B6, I believe. I do not think they have standard. So if you're in a standard size Traveler's Notebook, I don't think this is something that you're going to be able to get in on. So that's all I have for you. I need to get off the camera now so I can go love on this some more. I'm just kidding. But I am much happier in this. Before, I was using this very thick, very hard, stout Chic Sparrow proper Traveler's Notebook with the elastics. I wasn't in love with it. I got it for a really good deal, and it's a great storage notebook, but it's just not what I was looking for. I know that if you've been with me since the beginning of the year, when I talked about my 2020 plans, you guys knew I wanted something light and simple and leather, obviously a good quality leather, and this, it just suits my needs perfectly. I wonder, since I've got you on camera, and if you're even still watching, now that the review part is over, you know that it's amazing. I wonder if I can slide both notebooks in, since it does have quite a bit of room. So let's see. I want to put this one in the back, and I want to put this one in the front. Oh my. Oh, that feels so much nicer. It still does lay closed. Let's see. It still lays flat, but there is that little bump here from this notebook. But actually right here, it's not even that big of an issue because I'm further into the notebook. And then, let's see. Yeah, not an issue. Oh, I actually love the way this feels with both of these notebooks in here. And you can see there's no overhang. I've still got plenty of room. And this fits absolutely perfectly. And, you know, this bookmark that came with my Muji notebook is long enough that I can still bring it over here and use it in a totally different notebook if I wanted. Ooh, I love this. Happy birthday to me. This is amazing. Okay, that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I love interacting with everybody. If you are not subscribed, I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.